It's May 15, 2014, current time, 11:57 GMT. Jay Meisler here with a follow-up to my daily Forex trading outlook today with a quick look at the weekly euro-dollar chart so we can put this in perspective. If you look at the weekly here, you've come down below the 20-week moving average. You can see here why this is the 136.70 breakdown level. And if you want to look at the next key level, comes in right over here at 136, 455. So if you want to look at what the next key level would be, if we break down below this 136.50 level, would be 134.55. Of course, 135 stands in its way as well. The 200-week moving average and this major weekly trend line comes in pretty close to the same, around 133.85 or so. So those are the levels you have to watch if we really start to break down, because for this to go into anything more than, say, a 135 to 140 range, 133 to 138 range, we're going to have to break down through this 134, say, and a half level, and then we get down below this trend line and moving average, 200-week moving average. That's probably the major point if you want to really look ahead to what would take this out. Obviously here 136.70, if we get back above it, it'll slow the move, but really have to get back above 137, say 50 or so, if you want to see 138 in play again. And with the ECB meeting coming up in June, the euro clearly has a top ahead of it. Question is how much is going to be discounted. But these are the levels to watch on a weekly basis. Of course, there are many supports along the way below it, including this one right here, and I'll just point that one out at around 132.80. But you can look at this here and this here as your key targets on the downside if 136.50 and the 200-day moving average of 136.25 are firmly taken out. Okay, that's it for the weekly. One more thing. I wrote an article. I think I'm not laughing because the title it seems funny, but it really is applicable to trading. Why American baseball is like Forex trading. It's embedded in the bottom here. Just click on it, read it. I think you'll find it really useful because it's what I do trade, and and I think you'll find the insight really worth reading. So, why American baseball is like Forex trading.